You because you are more taller.
No, no. It's your video.
Everybody look at me.
That's good. Now you feel what I feel.
Is she alien? So many trees everywhere. Still want to park.
So far.
Park.
Please don't kill.
Old town yan dito eh. Lumang-luma na. Oh, the drawing was gone. Remove.
No to i tak zobaczymy z góry, bo myślę, że tam nie ma sensu się pchać na dół dalej. No. Z góry będzie jakiś tam widok. Tak. No. Ja, my byłyśmy tu.
Jeszcze tak, że pan.
Guard daw yan sa city guard. Ano dito eh, iba ang police, iba yung city guard. Tatawag ka lang daw dito ng police kapag may crime. Pero kapag ka, bawa, may nagpark sa isang area na bawal, city guard daw ang responsible.
Może na drugą stronę przejdziemy?
Oh, you come back here?
Patrzymy, co jak ci się podoba, teraz też wrócę, bo mówię,
What happened? Huh? So many people.
No, stay na dole.
Huh?
Stop and still between. No. Okay. You go this way.
Ambulance nila dito. Johannes. Cute dog.
Rękę, daj babci. No nie, a to nie, to absolutnie.
What does it name?
The church.
Church?
It's a church.
Old church.
So it's like a 20 church.
Old church.
I figure out which one is which one.
Już 3 tygodnie temu ja
Idź na rynek Nowego Miasta tutaj, to będziemy, okej? No, o to za ile będziesz tak mniej więcej? No godzinka, no długo nie będziemy stać, bo my wtedy tam
There's a garbage.
zamknę, więc musiałyśmy przejść. Jednak fajniejsza jest ta płyta tutaj. W ogóle już jesteśmy starsi, że jesteśmy już starzy.
Oh, that is important building. It is all. What is in the USA on the Wall Street?
Huh?
On the Wall Street, not a marketplace, but
Amusement park?
no. Wolf from the Wall Street. Not the journalist, but markers.
Półtora tygodnia u mnie. Jest.
Sprint, jeśli już.
Sprit.
Ona już ma inny świat, ona już nie chodzi o inny świat.
See, there's no rain.
So very good.
It's only warm up rain.
Good.
Warm up rain.
Jak chodzisz, to zaprosi mnie.
Where? We go out.
There was a pass here. So we just checked. Oh,
What's that?
Polish making paper very high interest.
Like a newspaper?
No newspaper. It's like action paper. It's like
Copy paper?
no.
Oh,
It's
what
like
happened? They get the apple in very small and they
yes, somebody just throw. So
that's for the birds. They play for the apples. Mga apple dito, pinaglalaroan lang eh. Samantala dyan sa Pinas, ang mahal ng apple eh. They play for the apples here, but in the Philippines, it's very expensive. We go back there. There is no city, it's closed. It's a parking area. It's a dead end. Oh, see, it's a dead end. There's a security guard there. Oh. There. Oh.
I know there is a pass.
There's security guard.
Yeah.
They asking to.
Yeah, they close all drinking here. And you get drunk when they're inside. Right. Okay, so we must around this building. So, for example, that is a place where you can buy a small percent of company and you have a deal with them. So, if they have a profit, you
Where?
have profits too.
There?
Here, yes, that is that building. Just make that. So I could remember there was a bus, but I cannot go there.
For security.
Yeah,
There's event, so they must close.
yeah.
And everybody look at the gate where they can exit, but it's closed. So they will be go back to like us.
So many people just go like us. Yeah, and they use the old trick. You see that Coca-Cola bottle?
Oh,
You see that?
yes.
That is not a Coca-Cola.
That is a beer,
No, that is a drink.
drink of like alcohol.
They put a Coca-Cola with the spirit. Yes, louder. Then you will be here. Here.
Did you fart?
You?
You're singing and speaking. Fart everywhere. When I be a reincarnate, I want to be a bird.
Bird?
I'm not free to go somewhere without any transportation payment. I am free from everywhere. But if I'm already a bird, you must feed me.
Okay.
Like what we do to the pigeons. We feed. If you don't feed me, I will poop in your ass, in your head. I wanna fart. Oh yeah.
Something. Oh, many years ago I was not there.
What?
Here is a park with a small stadium. There is a bridge.
Nawet niewielki procent, dlatego że ja
Oh,
mam
policeman just charge the traffic. You can see how it works.
Yeah.
Same almost in the country. For
We
example,
call that
yes,
highway patrol
yes,
group.
look,
It's
look.
PG.
See?
Money?
No, visa.
Visa.
So if you have a card,
Visa pala. Naalala ko yung visa ko. Oh.
So your card will be came from that building.
Oh. If they release, they
Yes,
still not release.
they will be released.
What they call the policeman who do that? We call that it's PG, High Patrol Group.
No,
Highway Patrol Group.
it's normal person.
Meron din sa kanila. Exactly. Ang daming pulis dito. May event kasi. Hindi kami makapasok, daming tao. Oo, passport. Pasaporte.
Yes, it's coming
Tungkulan.
from here.
Oh, Iceland. Passport. Republic of Armenia. Passport.
Yeah.
Oh, the missing girl is everywhere.
Yeah.
Where?
There. There's a park. There is a stadium. There. Second club in the Warsaw.
Huh?
Second football team. We have two teams in the Warsaw, so they always fight. Like
Ganda dito. Pag gusto mo talaga ng ano, mag-unwind sa stress, punta ka lang dito. Wala agad lahat. Sobrang daming puno. Fresh air. Silent.
check what is this.
Oh, I see a bold.
What?
Bold woman.
Really?
There, oh, there.
Ah.
Irish flag. What is this?
I don't know. I must go and check.
The fort? This is fort area. I want to take this beautiful flower.
That is not a beautiful flower.
This is a flower. Every plant who have flower is a flower. Ganda. Kaso hindi siya mabango. Ganda. Ang dami. Where we go here?
There, upstairs.
There?
Yes. To the rock. To see. What is this?
1864 built done. Oh, dito renovated.
Materiałem powstania styczniowego. Oh, okay.
What is this?
This is a statue for the uprising. What was in the 1864.
Mm.
Okay. We just was against to the it's called Old Russia.
When there's a sun in the trees, they look like a yellow. That is the reflection of the sunlight. Yellow. Why do you have plastic there?
Hmm?
Plastic.
No, that is the description. My goodness.
What we eat?
Everything.
I eat.
We must go somewhere.
Ano na dito, mag-8 PM na pero maliwanag pa. Medyo madilim na nga kasi may puno lang. Pero maliwanag pa yun. Magdidilim dito alas 10 ng gabi. Kasi summer time na. Pero pagka winter 4 PM madilim na. Mas mahaba ang gabi. Kasi sa araw. Dito naman pag summer mas mahaba yung umaga. Napakaiksi ng gabi. Hindi mo maramdaman na nakatulog ka na. Kasi alas 3 ng umaga dito, sobrang liwanag na. I tell them during winter 4 PM is so dark. Summer until 10 PM still light. Oh, what's this?
Small fort.
Fort?
Small fort.
4. We called only fort for the sea fort. What's this? Power?
Nie będę pił, nie bój się.
O, jest.
Się nie bój.
There's an echo. Sea fort. We have many sea fort. There's where we was to the museum. This is the place.
There.
And the other. Oh, so one part.
Oh, yeah.
There. Every time we go out, we walk all around our zone.
Yeah.
So when I go back, I almost die.
Yeah.
Ouch.
I forget how it's here.
What's this?
I don't know. Small house. Yeah, something like small house.
House under?
Huh?
If there's a rain, they will be get wet. They only use wood. Woody. So many parks here, everywhere almost. Ang parke dito tahimik. Kung gusto mo ng mag-unwind, punta ka lang sa mga park dito, makakapag-unwind ka. Pero dyan sa atin, ang park, ginagawang dating area ng mga kabataan. Doon sila na gumagawa ng kababalaghan. Kaya di ka rin makakapag-unwind. Park dito, kahit may fountain, pwede maglaro mga bata. Diyan sa atin, bawal. Pinagbabawal nila. Ewan ko bakit. Ang ganda ng nature ng Poland. I like very much the nature here. Very beautiful. Fresh air. That's why you can unwind here, even like a walking, because there are so many trees, birds created by God to make sounds for the nature, to make it not sad, to make it happy, make it more beautiful. Without bird sound, the nature is sad. So that's why take care of the birds. Take care of all the animals. Parang Romualdez, oh. Romualda Traguata yung pangalan. And Romualdez. Right.
Now we're waiting for the 28.
Huh?
Now we're waiting for the 28.
Where there's an exit X in the road. The road of sign X.
It's not allowed going straight ahead, so that's why it's removing this.
So many police.
Oh, that's 28. We should be.
Go now.
No, not yet. Catch.
The way man's like sit down.
Yes.
There, oh, there's a seat.
No, there.
Where? Banacha. There?
Yeah.
There.